Hi, this is Steve with GPS Plumbing. Today we are going to talk about some problems we're seeing in a house with possible high water pressure. When they turn their shower on, water comes out everywhere, and it could be high pressure or it could be a bad cartridge or both. But what leads me to believe that it's high pressure is we're going around and a lot of their faucets weren't dripping and all of a sudden they're all dripping. So we're going to go outside next and we are going to test the water pressure. Pressure should be between 40 and 75 psi with a max of 80. So we'll see what it comes out at. As expected, it's sitting right around 100, which is way over where the recommended tolerances should be. So that tells me it needs a new pressure reducing valve in the front yard. We'll walk over and show you that next. Okay, so now here's where most PRVs are located in your front yard. They're normally within 2 or 3 feet of the clean out, and that's where your whole home shutoff and your pressure reducing valves are located. So you pull it and see, and you can see that the first one right here is your pressure reducing valve, and that's your whole house shutoff. And those are rotten because they don't use stainless steel, so it's not good anymore. At some point tomorrow, we will be back to replace everything, and we'll replace with a new pressure reducing valve and a stainless steel shutoff valve. So we'll be back to show you what that looks like when we're done. Okay, we're back the next day after our team installed a new pressure reducing valve and new stainless steel ball valve here. As you can see, we put a new box in, pea gravel, brought it up to hand level so that we can easily turn it on and off. Next, we'll go over and show you what the pressure is and where it should be. Okay, we're going to test the pressure after we did all the work out front to change it. Once we turn this on, right now it shows us right about 71, 70-ish pounds, which is perfect. This will help keep your plumbing inside the house lasting longer and take all the excess pressure off of all the fixtures inside the house. Hope you liked our video. We'll see you on the next one.